here is a 1-minute tutorial on how to create a contact sheet in Photoshop so you don't even have to use Mac. If you come here to Photoshop, come up to the top and go to File and Automate. Come to File and Automate, you'll see the words Contact Sheet 2. Please click on that. And then you need to just tell it which folder you would like to create a contact sheet from. We're going to hit Choose. In this case, I'm going to choose this one called Ghosts and hit Open. I'm going to tell it how large I would like it to be. The document's right now 8 by 10 inches. That's just fine. And how many columns or rows I would like. At this point, you have to do a little bit of math because you have to remember how many you are going to have. So I'm going to do 3 columns and 4 rows. That will put 12 images on this contact sheet. And then I'm going to hit OK. Once I do that, all of the images will start to drop into the sheet. Takes just a second to build. And there we go. The great thing about doing this in Photoshop is that you can save this as a JPEG instead of a PDF, and we can also save it with the names of the files, which can be quite handy. From here, we just come up here to File, Save As, Contact Sheet, and then you would name it the assignment. Slow shutter speed. Save it to my desktop, and in this case I'm going to save it as a JPEG or as a PDF. Hit Save and OK. And there is a secondary way on how to make a proof sheet.